Alright, literally this is the coolest thing ever. So out in my garden pond solar generator, I have this USB powered fan already installed, connected by a USB. And I got this thing on, and you can barely feel the air coming out of it. Garage sale, neighbor gave me these computer 12-volt fans, and I ripped them apart, cleaned it all up, and rigged up a little 12-volt frickin' power socket so I can plug it right in. Do this one-handed. This thing is just a beast airflow-wise, and it's using about 320 milliamps of power. So what about 4 watts maybe? Yeah, this thing's gonna be cool, cool, cool. And that fits into that bracket faceplate. Nice, cool, cool. Alright, I got this computer 12-volt blower fan mounted on the faceplate, which will mount into the garden pond solar generator for more airflow. See there? This thing blows. And I thought about putting a back cage on the back, but it just makes way too much whistling sound, so I'm just going to leave it all exposed. Oh, freaking heck yes. So I took that USB blower fan out and put the new 12-volt high flow blower fan in here. Check this out. This one up here is working too. It's plugged into the 12-volt power socket right here. It's making about 96 watts. Sweet. Let's close it up. Bada bing. Alright. Ever since I was a kid, we're talking the 70s, I loved big booming sounding stereos, especially bass. So I'm going to hook up a new subwoofer to this system. Go big or go home, right? Good morning. Absolutely love my solar powered backyard TV system back here, but this LED insignia is just about dead. So I moved my old 32-inch plasma out here, and beautiful picture. I mean, old school plasma, just a warm, beautiful, crisp, high definition. But man, I tell you, it just sucks the power down quick. Probably about 4 times the power use compared to LEDs. So I have to look into getting another TV, and no variable output on the 3.5 millimeter audio jack. I don't like that either.